That's good. Get the other knee, that's good. Get the other knee, that's good. Moving for freedom. And then the idea is freedom to move. How do you have the freedom in yourself so you can move in different ways maybe that you didn't know, that you thought you couldn't do, you don't allow yourself, it's not accepted, or whatever it may be for you.
Feels awesome.
Yeah.
Get that movement in the chest really helps for me. It really feels great.
Sounds different in your voice too.
Yeah, but
Feels like what we were doing on the floor, but
Great.
much clearer.
And what I call the Jeremy Krauss approach was what I always thought Dr. Feldenkrais's ideas were. It's like you've come to here, what can you go further? What's the next? It has to become fresh.
This is new, and I can't wait to play with it.
It starts off with basic fundamental things and how changing small little aspects, and we'll see this in this whole use of 3, makes a huge difference for what you can notice, sensory-wise and movement-wise. And then we'll see how things actually, they're really building blocks of motion, how they go together.
Oh, it's a common kinesthetic language.
it's deceivingly simple.
To be able to take all that complexity and bring it to a simple place that is completely clear and connect these 3 modules together.
But do you feel it gets easier now? Yeah, for sure.
I actually think you're very close to a genius with this.
I believed I was coming to learn a way to move, right? But I think I've come to learn a way to think.
This is what produces the changes and understand the results that you're going to get. So it's very predictable. It's not 100%, of course, but it's very easy to say that. So what happens now is the shoulders are free because they support it. She's starting to get the head to be able to support itself. I want it to feel that she can move the elbows, move the shoulder blades, while at the same time, what will the head do? It will start to go off and return. And that's what you want in a stabilization situation, that it doesn't go over and can't come back. Watch when the child lifts the head what the mother does.
You empowered the mom. I think she felt so encouraged, and it was amazing to see the child also just before our very eyes developing. I mean, it was really extraordinary. I mean, really masterful.
I have a fantastic situation for me to do so many things to like one on top of the other. It's like a cascade.
I think that's the thing. It makes it so much fun.
That's true.
Because you get to use your brain.
That's right. That's the whole point. That's right. Great. My thinking is always, do I have any types of concepts or ideas that I'm applying practically? And notice, by the way, when many of you rolled to sit, did you notice that that was the movement you used with your arm, was to reach over the chest, to go at a diagonal forward or down, and then you came up from the hip joint into sitting. The moment you have that, you can build on it and develop something. Yesterday, even with you. Now, what do we do here? We take it, and we have a lever. Bang, goes down. I did 2 little new things that I haven't put in before. It's very an open thing when you know the principles, how it develops. Now, watch what happens. When I go down, look what happens right over there. Flexes, side bends. Now the other one? That's good. Now the other one?
This was incredibly moving. I think I was close to tears at the end when the girl started to understand crawling.
Look at the expression, look where the child is sitting, and look at mom.
Yeah.
Okay? I got mom in a happy state for 45 minutes. Just that for me is wonderful.
That's incredible.